Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the power supply unit, loosen the screw securing the side cover and unlatch the cover to remove it from the system. Identify the power supply unit cover and disconnect the cables. Remove the 2 screws to lift the cover out of the system. Once the power supply unit is exposed, disconnect the cables. Remove the 4 screws and lift the unit out of the system. To reinstall the power supply unit, place it back in the system and install the 4 screws. Reconnect the cables and place the cover on the unit. Install the 2 screws and reconnect the cables. Relatch the side cover and install the screw to secure it. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.